to Gigi's kitchen.
Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to our kitchen. I have a little guest here today. Who are you, sir? River. And how old are you?
5.
He's 5, y'all. This is our third grandchild, our second oldest boy. So we are going to be making a little goodie as we promised today. And what are we making? What are we making?
Twizzlers.
No, not
Twizzlers.
Twix. We making us some
Twix.
Twix candy, ain't we, baby? Now, this one here, honey, he loves him some chocolate and goodies, don't you? Junk. You like junk? Oh, he loves some junk. That's what he'll say. Oh, that's junk. I love junk. So we're going to make some junk today. And you're going to be happy, aren't you? Yes, you are. All right. This, y'all, is a really, really simple recipe. 3 ingredients. Can you believe it? We've got us some Rolos. We got us some milk chocolate chips. And we got us some old Nilla wafers. So we're going to start by putting the little Nilla wafers here. Yes, sir. Absolutely are. We're going to flip them up. Oh, that's a wonky donkey, ain't it? That's
What do you do with those?
I'm going to flip them over.
No, we're going to have them up like this. So we're going to leave them up. Let's put them in a row. Let's put them like this. Got to spread them out. Listen, they got to have a little room. They don't want to be too close.
That one's a wonky donkey.
That's
What do you do with it? You're supposed to eat that one.
We're supposed to eat that one. We'll just side the little wonky donkey one to the side. Now look, there's 4 on that side. Let's line them up just like that. Here's 4 here. Let's line up 4 there. Get on in there, son. 1, 2. Not so close. Remember, they like their space.
3, 4.
We got to scoot them over, though. We want it just like these, okay?
Good job.
Let's do another row.
I get 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is what?
4.
4. He's
You
smart.
be adding.
He's smart,
You been
y'all.
doing the school while he doing this.
He's tell him what grade you're in. What class you're in at school.
Miss Davis class.
But you're in what? Kindergarten.
Yeah.
Kindergarten. He's learning all the things. There's a wonky
We
donkey.
should put this one back in.
Okay, we'll do it.
Return to sender.
We will. Let's do one more little row. Now we're gonna take those little Rolos.
Can I put a...
You're gonna put one on each one of these little cookies, okay?
Oh.
Go ahead. Just start putting it on. Putting them on top.
Put them on top.
Just
there
like
you go.
this. Now we have got our oven preheated to 350. And we're going to put these in the oven only for about 90 seconds. You know why? We're going to melt them real quick. And we're going to put the lid on the top. And we're going to squish it down like a little sandwich, ain't we?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
I'll make a chocolate sandwich.
Uh-huh. We're making us some Twix, Papa.
Yeah. You like the idea of a chocolate sandwich?
It's going to be good, ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's going to be good.
He's studying his task.
He is.
We are
He's doing
interrupted.
what he's supposed to. This one here loves helping his Gigi.
He sure
don't you?
does. He loves helping, period.
He does. I'm telling y'all, every one of my little grandbabies, Stetson likes to eat. He's a year old. He hadn't got into the cooking yet, but every one of my little grandbabies love to help in the kitchen.
They do.
They rush in, bring it. We got a little stool down here, honey. They rush. They can see me go to the stove. They flying over there getting their little stool, honey. They about to help.
Yep.
And I love it. I do. We making memories, ain't we, darling? Yes, we are.
He wanted to make them pancakes, waffles this time. He's
Yeah.
like, oh, we can make chocolate chip waffles.
Good job. Good
Good
job.
job.
Yeah, me and him done made us some chocolate chip pancakes, didn't we, darling? We made us some pancakes, and they were good. We've made them several times now, haven't we? But he's a little worker bee, I tell you, he is. We're going to put these in the oven for about 90 seconds. And while they are baking for just 90 seconds, we just want them to get just... There was a gnat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He's on it.
He's on it. Shoot, get away from that.
Shoo, don't bother us. That's right. While these are in the oven for 90 seconds, we're going to warm these up.
Gigi,
What?
I kind of ate a piece.
You ate a piece.
He didn't.
He said she kind of ate a piece.
No, look. He seen that little dimple in that little. Oh, he thinks
He
the
thinks
gnat.
somebody. Oh, the gnat kind of ate a piece. No,
He
the
thought
gnat didn't get
got it.
none.
No,
though.
you shoot him off just in time.
You got rid of him. Good job.
He's interested in
I
our.
thought it was about to eat it.
Yeah, we ain't having that,
Nope.
are we? Not our little goodies. So we're going to melt these down 30 seconds at a time, y'all, and just stir because we're going to dip these in here and make us some
Put 'em
goodies.
all over them.
We will dip them. They go get right. Don't fall.
We can put them on top and then put all them chocolates on chocolate.
Chocolate on chocolate.
That's right. He's
Can't
on
go
it.
wrong. Can't go wrong with that, can you? All right, so let's put these in the oven for about 90 seconds. And we are going to start melting our little chocolate chips down. And he might have to have one. He's done had a Rolo. He said he had to try it, make sure it's okay, right? Got to make sure it's okay for everybody.
Okay.
We taking one for the team.
Let's try one.
We going to try one.
Yeah, he might have to try one.
He's going to try it. All right, so we go in the oven. These go first, okay? We'll be right back. Tell them we'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Start. 3, 0, start. All right.
Oh, I see it. It's kind of hard.
No, look
got
at there.
it.
It's melting.
You
Don't
doing
let it
good,
hit your
boy.
hands. Oh, well, you got that.
It looks like Nutella.
Looks like Nutella.
Nutella.
It kind of does. You're kind of right on that. It does look like Nutella. Ooh, it's getting there, ain't it? You just keep stirring like so.
Why did it look like Nutella? Nutella.
Nutella. Say Nutella.
Nutella.
That's right. You like some Nutella, don't you? Look at you. You done it. Looks like all the little chips is melted, don't it? Here's how you want it right here. You see that?
What?
What? Melted
Ooh.
chocolate.
Is it
Now,
looking
Can I
good?
try to do that?
it's looking good. Good job. All right.
Do it one more time.
Do it more.
What?
Look
Make
at
it
that.
melted. It's making a mountain.
All right, now, guess what we're going to do? No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
Yeah, don't touch it with your hand.
It's
boy.
going to squish, but you put this. Let me show you one.
You just do it. Like
Yes, you
that.
do. That's exactly what you do. You knew, didn't you? Good job. Did you help you? Or you want to just do them all?
I'll do one more.
Okay. This one here, he's independent, little fella.
Oh, he's a wonky donkey.
He is a wonky
It
donkey.
looks like definitely a burger.
You've been around Gigi.
It looks like a burger.
It's like a
burger?
Nilla wafer burger. That's
All
right.
right, you ain't wrong. You are not wrong.
Or a sandwich.
I'm
Now,
gonna put the.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
She gonna let you do it.
Watch this. We're gonna here you go. Let Gigi get this right.
Stick the fork inside of it and dip it.
Here we go do like this. We're gonna put it down like this. We'll dip it in. Gonna
Oh, I
flip
got
it over. Hold on, Gigi's just showing you. We might need to warm it up just a little bit. Look how pretty. You just gonna do a little tap like this.
It might fall off.
No, we gonna hope not. Okay, watch out. No, we don't need to do all that. Now,
Now
we could just put it right, just
Look
like
at that,
so.
boy.
Got it?
You sure can. Drop one in. Drop one in.
Okay. Oh crap!
Drop it in. All right, now we're gonna
Now.
flip it over with a fork.
Oh.
Flip it over with a fork.
You might get lost.
Hold on. Gigi's showing you. Move the spoon. You don't need the spoon now.
Now you good. Get a little.
Get a little shake.
Get a
Little shake and a little shimmy.
Get a little shake.
That's
Yeah,
right.
get all that excess off.
Good job. Now we're gonna slide it right over here. Hold on. We're gonna put it right over here.
I try to get quick.
It's good. Here, we're gonna drop it right over there. Oh,
Good
look
job,
up there. It's
man.
perfect.
Good job.
Oh,
It's all right. Look at there. Even a 5-year-old can make these. It's so good.
Yeah.
So easy.
He's making sure it's getting
He
plenty of
is.
chocolate,
He's
y'all.
doing it right.
I can't even get it out.
Here, Gigi will put it on her fork.
No, on my fork.
Okay. There you go. Shake, shake, shake. Shimmy it off. Yes, sir.
Looks like I'm putting Nutella.
Yeah. It's not Nutella, though, is it? It's chocolate. All right, go ahead. Let's slide it back on there in this little spot. Perfect. All right, and it's good, ain't it? It's real good. All right, y'all, we're going to finish these up, and guess what we're going to do next? What do you have to do after this?
Twix.
No, what are we going to do? We're going to taste it.
My turn, boy. I
It's
get to
Papa's
taste all
time.
of them.
He's the taster. He's
Yep.
the taster.
I'm going to taste them.
And you're tasting
Wait, what?
too.
What? Wait a
Yes,
minute.
Sir, Papa.
What?
Tell him if you cooked it, you got to taste your
Wait a
food.
minute. So you expect me to share these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All
well,
right.
I guess
we will
so.
do it.
Sharing is caring.
He knows exactly what to
That's
say.
exactly right.
Yes, it is,
You
baby.
got it, bud. All right, we're going to finish these up real quick, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. What time is it?
You don't know?
You don't know.
Okay, well, I'll take care of that then. If you don't know.
Oh,
Oh, wait, what?
What time is it?
What time is it then?
Tasting
You still don't
time.
know?
Tasting
It's the
time.
best time.
Tasting time.
Yeah,
Tasting
there you go.
time.
It's the best time.
That's right. Tell
My
Papa,
favorite time.
Tell Papa what we have prepared for him today. Tell him how hard we worked doing it. What did we fix for him? Twix.
Homemade Twix.
Some Twix candies. We worked real hard, didn't we? Was it hard?
Yeah.
You think so? Do you think other little boys and girls could do it?
No? You don't think they can
so?
make it? Yeah, they can make it.
Yes, they could
Yeah,
do
they
it.
could do
This
it.
is lying.
Yeah.
Tricking you.
He was joking. He got jokes. This one does have jokes, y'all.
Yes. He
has
is
jokes.
our prankster.
Our little comic relief.
He is the leader of the group.
He is.
He is a natural leader.
Yeah.
What else? What is your
What-
favorite things to do?
I'm fishing
He loves to
Yeah.
fish.
He loves to fish.
Where do you like to fish at?
at Overcoat.
At
Yeah.
Okra Cove. He will tell you in a skinny minute that's his favorite place. And this boy, he baits his own hook, don't you? He baits his own hook, and he really can fish.
Yeah.
He's a
by
fish.
himself.
He can. He'll
Yeah.
do it.
Even with some stinky shrimp. He's been out there baking in the sun for 3 or 4 days.
Had to throw his clothes away.
It's all right. It's okay. Yeah, we had a little malfunction with Dad. He was determined he was fishing. He done had enough waiting on us to get him some fresh shrimp. Ain't that right?
You did it, didn't you, darling?
Yeah,
You did.
he did.
What's your favorite color? Tell him what's your favorite color.
Blue.
Blue.
And an orange.
And orange.
Orange. See, look at there. That
Yes,
boy,
he
he's a
does.
smart child too.
He
ain't
knows. He knows what he likes. And what's some other things you like to do? What do you like
Ride
to
your
do?
dirt bike.
Yep.
I'm a dirt bike.
He's got a dirt bike.
Play with your RC cars.
My RC car's broke.
Oh,
It's
man.
broken. But you did like to play with it
You still like it though, right?
Yeah.
before it's come a wonky donkey.
It was all wonky donkey. He is,
Because I've been jumping it so much.
Yeah.
It broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
that's
you
probably
know,
a true story.
It's,
broke
it's
down.
almost time for
It
the
broke
guy.
down. It broke down.
It's almost time for the guy to ho guy to show back
Did you
up.
call the tow truck? You did. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe you can get
My
you a new
hand
one.
got a tow truck.
All
Okay.
right. You ready
Well,
to
let's
taste?
go give it a try. You get to go first since you the
You
guest.
want that one right there? That one looks like a good one.
Yeah, it's not. It's
Well, you
really
give it a
hard.
try. Tell me what you think since you made it.
Oh,
Is it
It
good?
good? It
Well,
looks
pick
like a
me-
Twix too,
Pick
don't
me
it?
one out. Which one should I get? What's the best one?
This one.
Okay.
All right.
That's the one we're going to go with.
You did a good job.
I'm going to hire
Now
you,
your
man.
turn.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah.
All right. Gigi will get one.
You're hired.
Ready? Cheers.
Sorry. Here.
It's all right.
River's Twix bars. You're hired.
They're good.
Very good.
It tastes like Twix,
It
y'all.
does. It's very, very close to Twix bars. Crunchy, caramelly, chocolatey. It's just like a Twix bar.
All the
Tastes
things,
just like a
ain't it,
Twix bar.
darling? It's good.
Fantastic.
So y'all, this is our third little grandbaby.
Yeah.
My little Easton River.
And he is a card.
He
He is
is.
full of personality, aren't you?
He likes sports.
He loves it.
Yep, he likes to bounce that basketball.
Throw
Bounce out the basketball.
You can dribble it now, can't you?
the football.
Yeah, he can dribble it. Yes, ma'am. But anyway, we've had fun today, haven't we?
He's been a blessing
He
in the
has.
kitchen. He's a blessing all the time.
He come
really is.
home from school with us today,
He did?
and he was a little bit bored, he said.
Yeah, he wants some. He
He
wants
said
his
he
brother.
missed his brother.
He's used to going home with his brother and playing. So
Or when they come here, normally all
they're
the
all
grandbabies.
together. So yeah, he's
All
not
of
used
them.
to being the only one.
No.
So-
So we got to spoil and love on him just a little
Yes,
bit
we did.
today, didn't
He's
we?
not used to being by himself. He was a little bit out of his element, wasn't you? Yeah, but it turned out all right, didn't it? Once you got to cooking,
had fun, didn't
yeah, he had fun in the kitchen.
All right, y'all. Well, I hope you give these a try. These are great little Christmas little goodies, aren't they? Good stuff. And until
Finger licking good.
Yes.
I'll join you on that one.
And until next time.
Peace.
Good job.
Peace.